Yo, what's going on YouTube? Technically T, man, and you see the title. Didn't want to make this video, but I haven't given you guys a car vlog. I haven't given you guys an update on the Maxima in a very long time. So I said, you know what, man? I had some unfortunate events happen to the car, so let's go ahead and share it on YouTube, because y'all the fam, man. So yes, you see the title, man. My car, my baby, was broken into. So now if you're new to the channel, man, I love cars probably more than I love technology, and I have a few videos of my car. So if you want to see a full walk around of the car and what all the modifications that I got done to it, man, I will be sure to link the walk around video above. So yeah, man, car break-ins, man, you know that's a very popular thing, especially when you live in a city like Atlanta, like I do. Around Christmas time, you already know that tends to happen, man. So let me go ahead and take you back, probably I want to say about the second week of December. That's basically when it happened, because you know everybody loves breaking in cars. Definitely when it comes to Christmas time, man, you got your gifts for your loved ones in your car, and boom, they end up missing, man. But that's not really what happened to me, so let's go ahead and take a step back. All right, so yeah, man, second week of December, let's go ahead and take you back to what was going on that weekend. So all my friends, a whole bunch of college friends, was coming in town for the Celebration Bowl. So if you don't know what the Celebration Bowl is, I went to HBCU, North Carolina A&T State University. So we had our bowl game, MEAC versus SWAC. So in the Dome in Atlanta, Mercedes-Benz Stadium, man. So I had a bunch of friends coming in town. You already knew it was gonna be a bunch of partying and having a good time. And then this happens. Somebody happened to choose that weekend to break into my car. So this is kind of how it all came about. So I was basically waiting on my girl to get in town, man, and she called me around midnight and said she had finally got off the road and she was at my apartment complex. So boom, I got to go ahead and open the gate for her. So therefore, I opened the gate. She came into the parking deck, and the parking deck is full. So if you know about apartment parking decks, man, if it gets to a certain time of the night, it's jam-packed. I mean, you really can't find a parking spot. So I said, you know what? Let me move my car to a higher floor so she can park her car and I go park my car wherever. You see what I'm saying? So unlock the car, boom, grab the door handle, and then that's when I realized that the whole door handle fell completely off. Now, first, it didn't quite dawn to me. I don't know, in my head, everything just stopped. And I was just like, what's going on? Then I really started to calm down and assess the situation. And I was just like, yo, T, somebody just broke into your car. Like, this just happened. Now, if you're like me, you always try to remain positive, and you always think that that can't ever happen to you. And that's exactly what I was doing. So therefore, I finally looked at it, seen exactly what happened, seen exactly how they got in the car, noticed my windows was down, and I was just like, okay, cool, this happened. Wasn't really mad yet. So therefore, I moved my car over to the handicap spot. Went ahead and parked in there real quick, just so I can get her parking. Now I move it again. So I moved it back, and then I started to realize what really happened. I started going through the car, started going through my glove compartment, my middle console, my trunk, and then I started to realize a few things were missing. So yep, glove compartment, trunk, man, they ran through the car, took everything of value, man. They really stole something that was very valuable, but I can get it back. They stole a few pairs of shoes in my trunk, a sweater. They stole a book bag in my trunk that had my cleaning supplies, and I'm kind of mad about those cleaning supplies, because you know, car person, them cleaning supplies can be a little bit expensive, man. But overall, yeah, they took a few things, but it was all good. So then we fast forward a few days. I feel like I can fix what's wrong, because I'm a little handy when it comes to the car. So basically what I did was order the parts that I thought were pretty much broken, and the parts probably didn't cost no more than 40 bucks. So I ordered them all up, go out there, grab my tools, go try to fix the door handle, because that's basically what was broke. And I realized that I couldn't fix it, man. There was so much damage done once I got the door handle off that I realized a body shop had to repair it at this point. So now, once again, car people, man, you know the dreaded search of finding a body shop that fits your standards. But luckily, man, I found an A1 shop. So a huge shout out to Fairlady Customz in Atlanta. So if you're watching this video and you're in Atlanta, if you have a Nissan product, now he only works on Nissans, so you gotta have a Nissan. But if you have a Nissan, man, definitely go check out Fairlady Customz. I will leave all of their information down below, man, but they got the Maxima back 100% A1 pristine status, 100% satisfaction for me, man. So let's go ahead and flip it around. If you haven't seen the Max, let's go ahead and flip it around real quick. So here it is, man. Here is my car, 2013 Nissan Maxima. Now what they had to do was they had to give me a whole new door, and of course when you got this pearl white, you get a new door. You got to blend the front bumper, you got to bend the door they actually replaced, and you have to blend the back door. But I mean, I know picture the video can't do it justice, man, but the paint blend was perfect. Everything everything about their repair was A1, and I have no issues, but no, it was perfect. Like, I couldn't complain at all, man. And then once that got done, of course, I had to go ahead and get all of my window trim re-blacked out because, of course, new door, went back to the chrome window trim, so I had to get that blacked out. Shout out to my man Jimmy, who does all of my wrap work in Atlanta. And of course, he wrapped my door handles. Everything is back A1 100%. So yeah, I am upset about the situation of somebody breaking into my car. And yes, that was the first time that I have actually had someone break in anywhere, car, house, or anything like that. So that was kind of, it was kind of messed up feeling, man, especially when you're a car person. You don't really bother nobody. You just go to work, come home, and then somebody likes to mess with your stuff, man. But I always say karma is definitely out there, man. Whoever did it, I'm pretty sure it's gonna come back around and bite them in the long term, man. But one thing to take away from this video, no matter how long or how safe or how secure you feel your house or your apartment complex is, because I was literally just coming back from North Carolina and I had a bunch of stuff in my car, but I didn't take it out because I felt, first of all, nobody's gonna mess with my car and I don't need everything out of my car this moment. So the quick moral of the story is, no matter how safe and secure you feel like your situation is, your apartment, your complex, your garage, there's a thief out there that's always willing to get up in your stuff, man. They will take what you work hard for. And that's kind of like a, it's kind of like a disrespect. Like I said, it kind of felt like a violation. That's exactly how I felt after it was done. Like somebody straight up violated me, man. But it's all good. It could have been worse, you know, it could have been a lot worse, but the car is fixed. It's back 100%, so I'm not really that upset anymore. I just wanted to get my baby back right, man. But yo, let me know if this happened to you, man. Definitely comment down below. And let me know if you had somebody break into your car. Let me know if you had somebody break into your house, man, because this is super unfortunate situation, yo. But technically, team, man, I'm about to get up out of here. You know, I'll try to hit you with some car updates when I can, but you know the Maxima, man. You always told you I'm kind of done with the car, but any updates I do, you already know I'll be sure to check in with you guys, man. But technically, T, until next time, later.